Assalamualaikum. Very good morning for the standard 10 AB. The previous played the mechanical energy, rest, and for the motion and rest. Both the type is called as the mechanical energy, and this is the two types. One is the kinetic energy, another is the potential energy. Now, first the kinetic energy. The word kinetic means motion, moving the body. When a body is in motion, possesses kinetic energy, and it is denoted by Ke or K, SI unit and CGS unit, same as the energy, joule and arc respectively, and it is also scalar quantity. Kinetic energy of a moving body is equal to the amount of work done stop the moving body. The body स्टॉप होंगी, स्टार्ट से एंड पॉइंट तक जितना वर्क होगा उतनी ही काइनेटिक एनर्जी होंगी उसके इक्वल में. Very important, the derivation body of mass m is moving with speed v. A force F is applied to stop, means the stop force means the brake. The motion of the body retard means the negative form, opposite direction, uniformly with retardation a. This is the acceleration of the retardation is a, and this is the negative. Retardation acceleration is the a, this is the negative, and comes to rest before traveling the distance covered is the d. So in the book is first the correction is from third equation of motion, not minus sign v square is equal to u square plus 2ad. This is the plus sign first complete. In the correction in the textbook also, a is equal to minus a retardation, v is final velocity, u is the initial velocity. So we final after break, the final velocity is the 0, v is equal to 0, and some velocity is starting, so u is equal to v, and the acceleration is the minus a, so v square is equal to u square minus 2ad. 0 is equal to v square minus 2ad, v square is equal to 2ad, and 2ad is equal to v square, so what is d is equal to v square upon 2a. Continuation. For the work done, stop the body, W is equal to F into T. W is equal to F into T. So what is the W is equal to K also, because of kinetic energy. Work done to stop body is a kinetic energy of moving body. वर्क डन टू स्टॉप होने तक का जो वर्क होता है वो काइनेटिक एनर्जी के इक्वल में होता है. तो व्हाट इज द W is equal to F into T. So what the K is also, and W is equal to K. So left hand side is equal, right hand side is also equal. K is equal to F into T. By Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, and from first D is equal to v square upon 2a. This both the value is putting in the K is equal to F into D. So F is the ma. D is the into v square upon 2a, a cancel, so mu square upon 2. So K is equal to 1 by 2 mu square. Formula of Ke, very important. Next, mass of body, some body of mass is m, initial speed is not a 0, this is u, final speed is v, speed of velocity, both are the same but only the direction is different. So direction is coming velocity, without direction is speed. Applied force is F, moving distance is d, so W is equal to F into d. Is always W is the change in the kinetic energy. Final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. 1 by 2 mu square minus 1 by 2 mu square. K final, K is the kinetic energy, final kinetic energy minus K initial kinetic energy. This is work energy theorem, very important for the work energy theorem, used in the numerical also. Form of kinetic energy, translational kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, and number 3 vibrational. Translational kinetic energy means the straight motion energy. The kinetic energy associated with translational motion is called translational kinetic energy. Example, a moving car and second a moving bullet from the gun. Rotational kinetic energy, the kinetic energy associated with rotational motion. Rotate the motion is called rotational kinetic energy. Example, Earth rotates on its axis. In geography, complete the one rotation around the axis is the 24 hours. Vibrational, there is the vibrational kinetic energy. See the figure, the simple. Meter is the mean position. One side is the extreme, this is extreme, mean to extreme, mean, extreme, this, and return to the mean, this is one rotate, this is called as the one oscillation. So the kinetic energy associated with vibrational motion, and this is called as the oscillation is called as the vibrational motion. So the kinetic energy associated with vibrational motion is called vibrational kinetic energy. Example, vibrating metallic strip, etc. Now next, potential energy. Very simple. Remaining is the rest position of the energy. The energy possessed by the body due to its position of rest is called potential energy, and it is denoted by P or U. SI unit is joule and CGS unit is erg, same as the energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, work is the same unit, and it is also a scalar quantity. Two types of potential energy, elastic and gravitational. Elastic energy, elastic potential energy. You know elastic, the apply the force, change the shape or size, stop the deforming force. This is for the return back to the original position of the body. This called as the elastic force, and property is called the elasticity. So potential energy in the form of the elastic potential energy is the energy stored in object that can be compressed, dabana or stretched, खींचना, such as rubber band. You know rubber band for the boys is the playing for the small rubber band. स्ट्रेट्स बो, कॉयल स्प्रिंग, अब विन अप क्लॉक. पुरानी घड़ियों में चाबी दी जाती थी, तो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी एंड कन्वर्ट टू द वर्किंग ऑफ द वॉच और क्लॉक. ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू द ग्रेविटी. द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी possessed by any body due to gravity of earth is called gravitational potential energy. So U is equal to mg as the same formula for the gravitational work. Now next, conservation of mechanical energy. The total mechanical energy of an isolated body in any body for the any point is always constant. Body is moving from A to C. A is the topmost position, C is the ground position, but stop is the B position also. For example, A is the third floor, B is the second floor, and C is the ground floor. A to C, this is the height h, and A to B, let the height y, and B to C, this is the remaining for the total height x minus y. At the position A, potential energy of the body is equal to mg, gravitational force multiplied by height, total height is the h, so mg as. Kinetic energy of the body is the uppermost position is the 0, because initial velocity of the body, falling body is always 0. Topmost position for the initial velocity is the 0 for the free body. So this is called a k is equal to 0, and the total energy U plus k, mgs plus 0 is equal to mgs. Number 1. At the position B, let the body has fallen distance y. Suppose the A to B, his height from the ground now is h minus y. The speed of the body at B is v1. First correction in the textbook. Again the second equation there is the right. The third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Put the v is the v1, u is the 0, a is the g, and s is the y. The v1 square is equal to 0 plus 2gy, v1 square is equal to 2gy, and potential energy of the body is from the ground to the position B, mg into height, or is height h minus y. First, complete the kinetic energy K 1 by 2 v1 square, v1 is equal to 2gy, to 2 cancel mg y k. What is the total energy for the position of the B? U plus k, mg bracket h minus y plus mgy, open the bracket, mg into h minus mg into y plus mgy minus mgy cancel, mg as number second. Ground position the C, rate when the body is about for to touch the ground. This is the first one. This velocity is v. Again, third equation, from third equation of the motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. There is the u is 0, v is the v, and a is the gravity. So what is the here? S is equal to h. V square is equal to 0 plus 2gs. V square is equal to 2gs, and potential energy of the body is u is equal to 0 because height of the ground is 0. mgs formula, height is the 0, mg into 0 is 0, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. What is the kinetic energy of the body? 1 by 2 mv square. But v square is the 2gs. V square is equal to 2gs, so k is equal to 1 by 2 m2gs, 2 cancel, so k is equal to mgs. So what is the total energy of the body? U plus k, 0 plus mgs. So total energy is the mgs. From 1, 2 and 3 are same constant. This proves the law of conservation of energy. Total energy is the constant, U plus K is the constant. Now, the graph represents the variation of energy, very important, with respect to height of the particle. Y-axis is the energy, and for the x-axis is the height. Height is the increase, so potential energy is the increase. Topmost position is the mgh, and for the kinetic energy is the ground position. Height is the 0, kinetic energy is the mgs, and those points for the intersect for the potential energy and kinetic energy is the half height and half for the mgs. Okay, now application is the simple pendulum. Meter bob is connected is to the rigid support. This is the A is the mean position, B extreme, C extreme, A to B, B to A to C, C to A. This is the one oscillation. Mean position for the height is the 0, so potential energy is the 0, kinetic energy mgs. The total energy for the mean position mgs. Extreme position means the topmost position. So this is called the U is equal to mgs, K is equal to 0, total energy is equal to mgh. Now, same as the extreme position, the C side also U is equal to mgs, K is equal to 0, total energy mgh. Law of conservation of energy. This is the conservation, the universe is the constant. Here the law. According to the law, this is compared in the up to 9 of conservation of, according to law of conservation of energy, total energy of universe is conserved, means the constant, same, not a change. The energy cannot be created nor can be destroyed. It can simply be converted from one form to another, and some example in which one form to another form the energy convert. For example, cell, battery, जो सेल वही मिलता है दुकान पे, और बैटरी, what is the work is the chemical energy into electric energy. Secondary battery used in the inverter, and for the vehicle, mini door, car, etc. Microphone is the mic. Sound energy into electric energy. Loudspeaker, the speaker is the electrical energy is converted again into the sound energy. What is the electric motor or DC motor? Electrical energy into mechanical energy, An AC generator or dynamo mechanical energy into electric energy, generate the electrical energy. These 2 points coming in the next chapter number for the 10 is the electromagnetism. Next is the electric heaters. Those are used in the house and geyser, iron or steam. This is the electric energy convert into heat energy. And next point is called the electric buzzer. You know, buzzer for the bell. What is the electric buzzer? Electric energy into sound energy. An electric bulb or tube, electric energy into light energy. Photosynthesis in the plant for the bio, solar energy into chemical energy. Automobile, chemical energy into mechanical energy. Petrol, diesel for the car is working, bike, etc. Coal or wood, chemical energy into heat energy. Atomic power plant, nuclear energy into electric energy, and nuclear bomb, nuclear energy into heat, light and sound energy. One is 8 here, maybe asked 14. Solar cell. What is the solar cell? Solar energy means the light energy. 2 into electric energy. Electric energy. And finish the chapter. Next spread. This chapter, the numerical, very important. Allah Hafiz. For next spread for the numerical. Inshallah.